On March 22nd, Dunbar student Chen Jiang prepared a traditional Chinese meal at the restaurant Honeywood for an assignment where he was prompted to give back to his community. We spoke with Mr. Smith, Chen, and Wida Michael, the owner of Honeywood, to learn more about how this special event came to be.
I interview them and just talk about what they care about and what kinds of things do they like to do and what kinds of things are they passionate about. And in Chen's case, somewhere in there it hit that his family owns a restaurant. And that he's just sort of like, yeah, I just work in a restaurant. But once he started talking about Chinese food and what real Chinese food is, he came alive.
Mr. Smith introduced me to Wida Michael, the owner of the restaurant. She was just reaching out to me saying that she was willing to offer her restaurant to help me accomplish my goal. So I kind of went with it and we planned a meal here at the restaurant.
So these are all traditional family dishes from Chen's family. His uncle taught him most of these recipes, and these recipes traveled with them from China to Kentucky. So that makes them part of the Kentucky food culture.
What does community mean to you?
Oh my gosh, that's a deep question.
Community can have multiple definitions, but ultimately it's where you fit in and how you interact with other folks.
But community means family, it means friendship, it means conviviality. It's the bonds that we have between one another, and the stronger those bonds are, the easier it is to live through tough times.
Specifically, I think just the people around me is an important part of our community, like how they treat me, how we treat each other, the conversation we have, especially the belief, like what we think of each other is important in my opinion.